In this video, I will show you how to delete a Discord server on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is of course open up Discord, come over to the server list on the left hand side and click onto the server that you want to delete. Now of course you can only delete servers that are your own that you've created, so what you want to do is click onto the server that you want to delete. So I'm going to click onto this one here. Now once you've done that, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the server name to bring up this menu, and from here come and click onto server settings. Once you're in your server settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and scroll all the way to the bottom. At the very bottom you'll see an option to delete server. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a small window like this where you need to enter your server name to confirm the deletion of the server. Now this is case sensitive as well, so make sure you do enter any capital letters. You want to enter it exactly as your server is named. So you want to type that into the box here, just like this. And once you've done that, click the red delete server button. What that's going to do is instantly delete that server, as you can see on Discord. So that is how to delete a Discord server on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.